reminder to never share your food with other students. And please remember, you can take off your mask to eat, but as soon as you're done, please put it back on.
During lunch, please sit in your assigned tables by your second period class. Make sure to follow the table capacity directed by staff.
Make sure to maintain 6 feet social distancing when walking around the campus or entering or exiting the campus.
Make sure to honor all of the designated signs to tell you which direction to walk. Also make sure to honor the maximum capacity signs that are on the doors of all the restrooms. Also use the hydration stations to fill up your personal water bottles.
Please wear your face mask before school, during school hours, and after school. The only time you may take your face mask off is while eating during lunch, but please wear it when you are not actively eating food. If you have a PE class, please continue to wear your face mask throughout the whole class. The face mask should cover your nose and your mouth. An acceptable mask does not include a bandana, scarves, or anything with vents in it. Any student who refuses to wear a mask will be transferred to virtual school or sent home.
Before using the restroom, please make sure to fill out the sign-in and sign-out sheet in your classroom.
Please maintain social distancing while in the bathrooms, and please refrain from touching anything in here. Remember to wash your hands for 20 seconds at least to ensure your safety and safety of others on campus. While in the classroom, please avoid sharing any surprises and keep all your things on your desk.
Please listen to your teachers at the beginning and the end of the period to help maintain a social distance.